Good morning, hello. After spending some time at the fish market at Bakau, I thought I'd give fishing in the Atlantic a go myself.
When is there? When?
So I'm pretty excited for today. Never done it before, never really gone fishing. So yeah, all going to be new.
Okay.
Nice to meet you, Lamin.
Nice to meet you. You're welcome, you know.
Yeah.
You're welcome, man.
This is my my captain for today.
Yeah.
I'm giving that to him. That's a good luck. That will bring him some luck while he's out there fishing, yeah.
Ah,
That's our
nice.
blade, yeah. And if you believe in it, it works.
Nice, alright. Here
Thank
you go.
you very much,
Here
yeah.
is my good luck necklace.
Thank you.
Let's hope this brings me some fish.
Yeah.
There we go. There's my luck.
That's a good luck, Juju. When you go out there, we believe that when you have that, you get more fish out there because it's the sun from the sea.
Nice.
So it attracts the fish. And it's always blessing, yeah.
Great,
Always blessing.
thank you so much, man.
Wish you a very good luck, yeah.
Thank you.
Right.
Alright, let's go. Where to go?
Do you want to be this way?
Two, three.
I'm a tourist today.
Yeah, man.
You're good. Don't worry, you will have good fishing today.
Yeah.
Wait, push. What am I doing now? What?
Wow.
Hello. Make up. Take off.
Gonna get absolutely battered by
Pull
this
there,
one.
come to boy.
Ciao.
Adaga.
Oh.
Last time I touch
The waves.
Pull watch it. Push with them. Now I'm doing it again now. Sorry.
It's alright.
Push. Alas, watch it. Push. Push. I'm doing it. On. Push ayan na. Your finger. You can see.
Yeah, wow.
And this is brand new one.
I did feel something very,
you
very.
feel something
yeah,
on the ground there. That's why that time I was eating my bread.
Yeah. But it was very quick.
It's very quick. It's
Yeah.
fast. It's
Yeah.
very faster. Barracuda, love.
I hear you say, oh.
Yeah, that was
So
me.
I
Yeah.
know something was
Yeah.
something was there. Morning.
Yeah, but it didn't last for very long. It was
Yeah,
literally.
No, it's
Yeah.
faster.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Quick, innit?
Well, had a nibble,
This for butterfish.
butterfish. Yeah. And then when do you stop?
So the line when it stop, you close.
Like this,
Close it like this.
like that. Okay. Because I haven't done this before. I don't know when I have one or not. You know.
Yeah, when it's there, you will see on the top right.
Yeah.
Welcome to see.
Does this work? Saying welcome, fishy.
Welcome, fishy.
Welcome, fishy.
Welcome, very soon.
Yeah, butterfish.
This did actually work. I had my first fish on the line.
Up, down.
So we're
Jamagap. Daffodil, Nataria. Yeah, let him fight. Easy. Yeah. Yes.
Ah, nice.
Yeah.
Nice.
Yeah, you do it.
This one's a butterfish. Yeah.
Butterfish.
You do it, man.
Wow. First ever fish.
Yeah.
Wow. There he is.
That's your catch.
Sorry, it's dinner now.
Enjoying it, yeah?
Yeah. I am, yeah, man.
No problem.
Fishy, fishy.
You see? Enjoy.
There he is.
Look up the camera.
Alam ba niyo wala guys?
Yes. Good.
Much better, yeah?
Yeah. Sometimes go. Yeah. Good.
Ah, that's bad. Yes. Definitely a fish, this one's.
No, that was fish.
That was a fish.
That was fish.
What's a fish?
Ah, it's gone. He ate all of my bait.
After hearing stories of engine failures out at sea, I was very happy when it eventually started.
When is there? When?
I had a Barracuda on the line.
Yes. Keep going. Wait. Leave the line for me.
Until I no longer had the line.
Wow.
Big fight. Big fight.
I don't know, I think it should have been me doing that celebration dance.
Barracuda. Very good.
Yeah.
The butterfish here is good eating. It has only one bone down the middle. You're not picking bones out your teeth as you're eating this one. Can't really get much fresher than that.
It's all meat. It's all flesh. It's all meat. One side of the butterfish.
That's the only bone.
Yeah, it's the only bone.
There's a massive fillet there.
Yeah.
Yeah, massive fillet.
Feel it, yeah, you see.
Yeah, small video camera.
Okay, it's a video camera.
Yeah. Yeah, that's for the soup, the head. Yeah, man. That's butterfish soup.
Here it is. My first fish. First time trying butterfish. I call it myself. Maybe this did bring me some luck. I think one of the guys went out yesterday for 4 hours and caught nothing. And yeah, so this works.
Good for the asthma, you know.
This is the liver.
Yeah, that's the liver. It's that one.
Pretty good actually.
Yeah, nice one. That's the liver, you know, from the butterfish. Butterfish is very good. It can cure a lot, you know. Yeah.
So what does it cure?
Yeah, it can cure, you know, a lot of things about the human, you know. Asthma, heart attack, it can help you a lot for it. You're welcome. Yes, man.
So I'm cured now.
Everything is shared in the Gambia, and our fish fed a lot of people. I couldn't have asked for a better end to my time in the Gambia. For such a small country, it's incredibly diverse, both in terms of nature and people. From the oyster catchers of Komodo Point to the fishermen of Bakau, village chiefs, farmers, teachers, and Musa with his drums. Everyone had a story to share. The Gambia will always be the place where I realised my dream of paddling the length of the country.
Celebration time.
But to me, it is much more than that. Thanks for watching.